I heard a volunteer who does work for another organization say that when he went to the organization's first event, he got wrecked. And what he meant by that was he got wrecked by being touched by what the organization did and how they were helping people. And I can honestly say that when I went to VLI's first Lawyers for Warriors, I was wrecked. I was like, I got to get involved. I got to do something for this organization. It spoke to me. And I would like to urge other members in the legal community to get wrecked, to be touched by this organization, Veterans Legal Institute. Hi, I'm Jeff Roberts. I am an attorney in Orange County. I practice personal injury law. I work with a great partner, Michael Gendron, at the Roberts Gendron law firm. I came to Veterans Legal Institute through my desire to serve my country in the way that my father, who was a Marine captain, served his country, in the way my grandfather, a captain in the Navy, served his country, in the way my great-grandfather, a commander in the Navy, served his country.
While in college, I joined a program called Platoon Leaders Class with the Marines. The completion of my school year, when I graduated, I was commissioned as second lieutenant in the U.S. Marine Corps. 14 months I served in Vietnam in combat pretty much every day.
When my father was 24 years old, he went to Vietnam. He had a wife at home, and he had a new baby, a 2-year-old at home. My father did that and sacrificed his family and sacrificed for our country. Meant so much. And so the VLI has wonderfully given me an opportunity to say thanks to my father. And to say thanks to all the veterans, his compatriots in every branch of the service that have served honorably for our country. VLI is helping, and the folks that I'm getting the opportunity to help are in real need. One of the most interesting cases that I've handled in my career was a VLI veteran case. Wonderful young veteran named Destiny, who had taken her car to get serviced at a dealership. She shows up like a week later and they can't find the car. And they, after looking and looking, they say, well, your car's been stolen. And they say, we're not gonna pay for it. It's not our responsibility. And her insurance company said, well, it was at a shop, so we don't pay for it. So Destiny was left without a car. A veteran who had used her money, her earnings from service to our country, was without a car because the dealership wasn't going to make good on taking care of her. And so we filed a lawsuit against the dealership. They called and said, what can we do to settle? And they offered me a third of what her car was worth. And I said, you're gonna pay for the whole car or get her a new car. And eventually, within about 4 weeks, we had Destiny in a brand new car that was paid for by the dealership.
What's most prominent in my thoughts about the Legal Institute that Jeff's involved with is that he's doing it pro bono for veterans. And these are the people that I consider my people, and we all have legal needs.
Time is the most precious thing you can give to anyone or to anything or to any organization. And I ask you to give your time to VLI because I know I'm going to continue to do it for the rest of my career.
Absolutely would like to thank the Veterans Legal Institute. I think they're doing, for my brothers that I fought with, they're doing a lot of good.